If you're not monitoring your credit and identity every single day, you're already behind. Identity theft is up more than 400%, and most people don't find out until the damage is already done. Your social security number, your bank information, your passwords, they're being sold on the dark web right now, and if you're not watching your credit, someone else will take advantage of it. That's why I recommend using IdentityIQ. They provide the exact services you need to protect your identity, your credit, and your financial future. With IdentityIQ, you get 3 bureau credit monitoring, real-time fraud alerts, dark web and SSN monitoring, monthly credit reports and scores, up to $1 million in identity theft insurance, and US-based fraud restoration specialists. This is the level of protection most people don't have but absolutely need. If you want to protect your identity and stay ahead of fraud, IdentityIQ can provide the services you need. The link in the description may help you out. Protect your credit, protect your identity, protect your future. Click the link below to get started.